Good morning, dear student. I'm your English teacher of 5th standard, Mr. Ganesh Nikam sir from Grace Academy. First of all, after these 3 months, we have got opportunity to learn our English subject. Everyone know that in these 3 months we did nothing. We didn't touch to our any books, but now days has come very near. Everyone must pay attention to our study. I'm having this book, and first of all, unit 1, I will teach you our first poem. It is What a Bird Thought. As a human being, I can also think and you can also think. Everyone can think because of we have a brain. But now you can imagine that. Can bird think? Why not? Bird also can think. And his view, his expression, his feeling and his thought, how does he explain that we are going to learn through this poem. Name of this poem is What a Bird Thought. First of all, I will read out this poem, then I will explain you meaning and some question answer also I will give you. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. Bird trying to tell us that I lived first in a little house. Where I was living, there was a one small house, there was one little house. I was staying in that little house and lived there very well. He did not have any kinds of tension. He was living there very, very happily. The world to me was small and round. How was my world? My world was very small and round and made of pale blue shell. And my house, my home, it was made by small, round, pale blue shell. So, in question answer, I can ask you this question also. What was the bird first house? So, you can remember the bird first house was a small, round, pale blue and shell. Okay. Second stanza. I lived next in a little nest, not needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Where was he living? I lived next in a little nest. That small bird was living next in a little nest, nor needed any other. Flutter means what? To fly unsteadily. Flutter. Straw means what? Straw means dried thin stalk of fresh grain. Beyond means far from. The poem What a Bird Thought tells us how a bird perceives its world, and when it is in its shell, he understands, he becomes aware the world to be small and round. He doesn't know actually the world, but he is telling us that it is the world is what? Small world and made of pale blue shell. And it is made of what? Pale blue shell. When it grows a little and learns to fly, it perceives the world to be made of the leaves. Now that it has grown up and can fly extremely well, it has left its little home, the nest and the tree, and flies wherever it wants to. And when it sees the vast blue sky, the birds unsure what the world is really made of. Hence, the bird wants to find out of from us what the world is really like. How does that bird's house going to change? First of all, you think that the bird's first house was what? It was small, round, and pale blue shade. Now, according to the birds, its nest was made of straw and covered by its mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Whenever he is growing, that bird is growing, and his shell, his shelter, his nest, how it is going to change, that we have learned in this poem. Describe the following in one or two lines, the first little house of the bird. Now I am asking you questions. How will you describe? You can describe like this. The first little house of the bird was small. How was his home? It was small and round. It was made of pale blue shell. Got it? So in this poem we have learned how that home is changing when that bird is grow day by day. Its house, its home is changing. It is just like our. Suppose right now we are living in juggi or cottage. Another moment we can live in building also, we can live in flat also. These are procedures which is always going to change. So same thing happen with that bird. So that bird's house, how did it change? Okay, now I have explained you this poem. Now I'm going to ask you some questions and answer. Just put your fingers. Dear student, now we are going to learn some meanings from our poem What a Bird Thought. First meaning is flutter. Flutter means to fly unsteadily. Second is straw. Dried thin stalk of threshed grain. Beyond means far from. Now answer to the following question. What was the bird's first house? The bird's first house was a small, round, pale blue shell. Question second. What, according to the bird, was its nest made up of? Answer. According to the bird, its nest was made of straw and covered by its mother. Question number 3. What did the bird see when it flew beyond the tree? Answer. The bird saw the vast blue sky when it flew beyond the tree. Question number 4. Name the bird's second house. The bird's second house is a little nest. Question number 5. Pick the odd man out. Small, round, straw, pale, blue. Answer is straw. Question number 6. Write whether true or false. I lived in a little nest made of pale blue shell. Answer false. Next question. I lived in a little house which was small and round. Answer true. Question number C. Find and list the rhyming words from the poem. Answer well, shell, other, mother, find, blind, blue, you. So dear student, I have given you near about 6 questions. Just you can write down in your notebooks and write this answer twice or thrice. Okay, and send me your homework also. Thank you very much. Copy it twice.